typing will not stop. Okay, Salil is telling me typing will not stop. You start. I'll start. Good. So first thing that came as a takeaway to me was, like many of you shared, the rickshawala story, obviously. So the rickshawala is very aware that there is no face, formless. A simple rickshawala is aware that there is no face to the formless, right? And that he mentions that. And then Gurudev goes on to say that everything is the divine. So even the rickshaw, the vehicle, the driver and the passenger, everything is me, right? So we need to see who is creating this separation. What is in us that is creating the separation? Does the divine want any separation? No, Gurudev to is saying you, me, everything is one, right? So we need to check what is in us, what are the impressions, what are the cravings, aversions, ये सब जो चीजें हैं, which creates a separation between us and him, Gurudev, right? Between us, the path, and Gurudev. So this can be the homework. Keep checking at what points in time. There are times when we feel oneness, right? Everyone has felt it, that we are one with Gurudev. At that point, at least I have felt it, in those times I feel I don't need to even go and meet him or see him, because seeing him outside with my eyes, right, is a separation somewhere. So in those moments, remember those moments when we have really felt one with him. At that point, there is even the need to meet him, see him drops, right? So we have all had these moments in life. No, I'm not saying don't go and meet him. This is not about the external action, but more at a mental level. So this can be one of the homeworks, as we say, see which moments are more. Are the moments where we feel separation more in our life with him, the divine, him as in the divine, or are those moments more where we feel oneness and where all the needs drop? Got it? One. This is one point. Then what was the second point? Yeah. Now, second point, coming to the second point, which struck me was, again, it was about yearn for the highest. है ना, गुरुजी जो बोले क्रेविंग्स होती है, जो फेम है ना, मनी है, all these things. This also he takes it beautifully from the rickshawala point. Did you notice the rickshawala doesn't take money from him? He says, no, I want to keep the account open, right? If I take money, account closed. He's very smart. है ना, simple rickshawala is very smart. He wants to keep the account open. So when he will pass on, there he will get something in return, right? So we need to see what we are doing about what level of cravings we are having. And Guruji has no way said कि don't aspire. What we need to do in the practical world, we need to do, right? वो तो हम छोड़ नहीं सकते. More on the mental level, what are the quality of our cravings that we are getting, right? And Salil told me to add one point, कि cravings are of the mind and yearning is of the soul. So can we differentiate between our cravings and our yearnings, right? You all yearn to come here and listen to Bhagavad Gita, right? So that is a yearning of the soul. And craving could be, इसके बाद मुझे खाना खाना है. That could be a craving. Simple, it's very simple to understand. If you observe, you will understand what is a yearning. Sometimes even meeting Gurudev, when we want to meet Gurudev and we want something from him, is it a craving or is it a yearning? Even at that point, if you can observe yourself inner journey. So here I'll tell a story which happened yesterday and day before with me. It is my birthday month and he was not there that time. So I just went, me and Salil, we took Sankalpa, we went to Gurukul. After he gave puja, homa, he gave darshan to all. After that, he suddenly came. So that was my yearning soul to meet him or take his darshan or blessings. उसके बाद एक क्रेविंग आ गया. गुरुजी सडनली उठे, 4-5 हार थे उनके पास, माला थी. बोले अच्छा किस किस का बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी मंथ है बताओ मुझे. ठीक है, तो अभी दर्शन हो गया, सोल इज सेटिस्फाइड, बट द क्रेविंग की नहीं, मुझे उनसे माला चाहिए, राइट? आई वांट दैट माला फ्रॉम हिम. फॉर अ मोमेंट इट केम. बट आई फील ब्लेस्ड कि जब तक वो मेरे पास पहुंचे वो सारे उनकी मालाएं खत्म हो गई. द गार्लैंड्स वेंट आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. सो एंड ही बिफोर ही रीच्ड मी ही टर्न्ड and went off. So I got a chance to observe myself कि no, that was not a yearning. Even wanting something from him, इतनी नहीं, ये तो गुरु जी है, ये craving कैसे हो सकता है? Even that was a craving according to me. I got an opportunity. Thank God he didn't give it to me. I got an opportunity to identify the craving. Then I told Salil and me were trying to tell it to him कि मेरा भी birthday है. Then we discussed कि नहीं छोड़ो, that's not important. The soul has got what it wants. Yearning, why go behind what the mind wants, right? So that is one recently yesterday day before का जो मेरे साथ हुआ. तो craving and yearning even in presence of Gurudev we can observe that. Okay, बाकी life में तो easy है हमको. So make a list. Craving, aversion, sorry, cravings and yearnings क्या है? Cool. And third point was क्या था? बिलोंग टू द डिवाइन. बहुत लोगों ने लिखा भी कि बिलोंग टू द डिवाइन लाइक द बेबी बिलोंग्स टू इट्स मदर ना, विदाउट आस्किंग एनीथिंग. क्या करते हो, कहाँ से आए हो, व्हाट डू यू अर्न, व्हाट इज योर प्रोफेशन, है ना, लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स. तो ये हमारे साथ ऑलरेडी हुआ है ना. देर आर मेनी मोमेंट्स. या फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू वुड हैव मेट गुरुजी, राइट? Remember that moment when first time you met, or rather you felt that connection, belongingness to him. That moment, did we bother about who is he, what is his name? No, it was all beyond that connection, that first time we met him. So here it's about, I feel, realizing that we already belong to him. And he, from his side, there is full belongingness, there is oneness, there is ownership, there is everything. Separation is in our mind. So it is more about allowing yourself to totally belong to the divine. You know, allow yourself to not even belong, allow yourself to realize that you already belong to him. There is no option. है ना, जैसे इधर एक सत्संग का मुझे एग्जाम्पल आ रहा है. No, belongingness at a level could mean feeling that love and all that for him. But with belongingness, I feel surrender also follows. सत्संग में परसों हुआ ऐसा था कि everyone stands up when he comes and everyone stands up when he leaves, right? And जब आगे की रो खड़ी होती है तो पीछे सबको खड़ा होना ही पड़ता है because other people cannot see him then. तो गुरुजी actually got up while leaving. Then he sat down again and he started talking कि देखो, मैं जब आता हूँ या मैं जब जाता हूँ आप लोग खड़े होते हो, ठीक है? उस अभी पीछे वालों को तो आपको नहीं देखना है, मुझे देखना है. तो इसलिए इट्स बेटर इफ यू कीप सिटिंग सो दैट एवरीवन कैन सी मी प्रॉपर्ली. ठीक है, इतना सब ही एक्सप्लेन्ड प्रॉपर्ली. एंड अगेन ही गॉट अप. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर ही गॉट अप? Everyone got up. Everyone, the master is telling you, don't get up. Still, everyone is getting up, right? So, and he's very compassionate. He will not come and scold us. So this, to me, this relates to the levels that he has told, the maturity levels. क्या गुरुजी said ना, leaf आता है, फिर flower, seed, leaf, branches or whatever, and then the blossoming, then the flower. So we need to check at what level we are at. Belongingness में जितना हमको हक महसूस होता है उनपे, उतना ड्यूटी भी है to listen to him. बहुत लोग, जैसे आई रिमेम्बर वन ऑफ द प्रीवियस सेशन, सलील हैड सेड, कुछ लोग गुरुजी से क्वेश्चन पूछने में डरते हैं क्योंकि जो आंसर मुझे नहीं चाहिए उन्होंने वो दे दिया आंसर, तो क्या होगा? तो वहां तो बिलोंगिंगनेस तब कहाँ गई हमारी, है ना? तो वी नीड टू कीप चेकिंग दिस. So I would like to conclude this with one another example again from yesterday, the birthday thing. Like I said, with belongingness, surrender is automatic. So are we really surrendered? Do we really have enough faith in him? Belongingness means faith, surrender. मेरे हिसाब से सब एक ही चीज है वो. It's all culminates into one, though on surface it is different. So after yesterday, what happened was, day before I told, we decided ठीक है, माला is not important, दर्शन हो गया गुरुजी का, जाने दो. We kept sitting at Gurukul. One boy came, we were very content. So one boy came, he said, आपको माला नहीं मिली तो आपको कल आना है तो let me know, I will give your name, you come tomorrow. We were very shocked. आश्रम में कोई अपने से आके पूछता नहीं कि आपको गुरुजी से मिलवाने अपॉइंटमेंट चाहिए क्या, right? So that was a big surprise. So we were very okay with it. We said okay. So we went yesterday, and yesterday when Guruji put the mala and everything, he took us to Devi Puja. He took us there. I said only one thing in his ear. It was my birthday को गुरुजी कभी-कभी special treatment देते हैं. So I went, got a chance to say something to him. तो मेरे मन में कुछ इच्छाएं थी, some cravings थे, some yearnings थे, but at that one moment which I got, I just told him, गुरुजी एक wish है. तो he said, हाँ क्या है? तो मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, let thy will be done. Right? So I feel that belongingness to him कि उनका जो wish है वो मेरे लिए best होगा. Let thy will be done. So that's it for now. So belongingness can have different meanings for everyone. Find out what is yours and what Guruji means by belongingness, and just keep observing. ठीक है? That's all. जय गुरुदेव. Thank you.
जय गुरुदेव.
Thank you, Didi. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you.
Belated birthday wishes, दीदी.
Oh, thank you. अच्छा, एक पॉइंट मैंने अच्छा लिखा था जो मैं भूल गई बोलना. क्रेविंग और यर्निंग की बात है. Craving is when we want something from Gurudev, that can be also said as craving. And when we want him, that is a pure yearning of the soul. Okay, bye. Thank you for the
Happy birthday.
Yep.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Bye.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Happy
birthday, Didi. Many, many happy returns of the day.
One more thing.
Love. हाँ.
One more thing.
और दीदी आपने लास्ट क्या बोला? गुरुदेव को पूछा कि विश है, तो बाद में आपने क्या बोला? सुना ही नहीं दिया.
ये
एक
लास्ट
विश है ऐसा. हाँ, एक विश है डन. हाँ हाँ, आपने वो सुना ही नहीं दिया.
कान में बोला कि गुरुजी मेरा एक विश है.
हाँ
हाँ बोलो, like that. Then I said, let thy will be done. Means let your will be done. आपको जो चाहिए वो ही हो जाए मेरे साथ.
हाँ हाँ.
तो इतने सारे विशेष में से क्या मांगे उनको अभी? तो जो आप
हाँ,
चाहे
हाँ.
उनको बेस्ट पता है हमारे.
हाँ हाँ. अच्छा, गुरुदेव को पूछा कि भाई आपको जो चाहिए वो मेरे को दो, वो
हाँ,
मेरे को चाहिए.
हाँ, जो
That is the best.
Happy birthday, दीदी.
हाँ, क्या?
Happy birthday, दीदी. So many congrats. Many blessings.
Thank you.
Blessings are the best. Guru's blessing.
हाँ, उनको पता है ना.
हाँ.
He knows
That
everything.
is belongingness. That is belongingness.
Create belongingness.
I also feel it once.
हाँ,
अच्छा, one more thing.
हाँ.
कि मेरा ग्रैंडसन हुआ है, आज उसकी छठी है. I think bless it.
दीदी ये 14 नवंबर को मेरी बर्थडे थी. वासद आश्रम गुरुदेव आए थे, तो गुरुदेव ने आप बर्थडे की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो हार ढूंढ ढूंढ के निकाला मेरे लिए, और स्पेशल ये लंबा वाला गुलाब वाला हार मेरे को पहनाया. दैट इज द स्पेशल बर्थडे, ऐसा लगा मेरे को भी.
You are luckiest.
यहाँ पे आज पॉइंट था.
हाँ?
एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे जो
हाँ.
बोला गुरुजी ने ना, हमारे साइड से और उनकी साइड से, हार है या हवन कर रहे हैं या आहुति, all these things are still material, you know. अंदर का जो है तो वो है ना.
नहीं, इतना सारा हार था तो एक एक करके उसमें से एक सिलेक्ट करके निकाला.
बहुत अच्छा. अब जैसे याद है, इस पे एक याद आ रही, परसों जैसे सलील ने बोले थे, परसों या कल ही बोलते, फ्लाइट मिल गई तो गुरु ग्रेस, बट नहीं मिली तो क्या ग्रेस नहीं, ग्रेस है, तो हार मिले या ना मिले।
वो भी ग्रेस ही है। हाँ, दर्शन हो गया, दर्शन हो गया। तो ठीक, वो, हाँ, वो तो है ही। एक और खुशी, ये एक और खुशी मिली। बस ऐसा अपने को ऐसा लगता है। हाँ, हाँ।
बहुत।
हम्म,
क्या करना है, एंड करना है।
जय गुरुदेव।
जय
जय
गुरुदेव।
गुरु, जय गुरु, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।